YouTube. Welcome to the shop. Thomas here. Got a little project that I've been wanting to do for quite a long time. I mean, this is my test bench, but it's not really a bench. It's just a piece of wood sitting on these blue and beige cabinets. So literally it's just sitting on there. And I've been wanting to make a bench for a while, but I wanted to wait until I got me a new chair because I'm kind of short, as I've said in some of my other videos. I'm 5'6". I've bought several benches and they're always just too high or too tall, or something about them I don't like, because they're, most people, I guess they make most things for people that are 5'8" and above or whatever. Anyways, plus is the depth and stuff, and this is going to be an awkward bench because there's going to be some angles and stuff, so I'm going to custom make it. I'm using 1-inch square tubing. I'm going to weld up and everything, so that should be interesting. So everything you see here, including that little white whatever that is, I don't even know, white shelf like thing, it's going away, and it's going to be a little longer than this by a couple of feet, or not, yeah, about 2 feet longer. It's going to go all the way to the wall, and it's actually going to come out kind of like this, a little bit like an L shape. And I've got a weird situation here too, because of the way this corner is over here. And I still have, basically long-term storage I put in there. So, but I want it to come out, basically about here where this shelf is, but I'm going to have it angled. So, but before I do all that, I got to move all this crap. Don't really have anywhere really to put it except on the floor and downstairs and stuff. And the other thing I'm going to do is this wall. It's it's part wall and part ceiling, because it's I forget what they call this. Is a gable roof, I think. I don't know. It's like a barn roof. And this is facing south, and the problem I have here right now is there's not enough insulation on the wall. So when certain times of the year, the heat and thermodynamics from the sun hitting it, it actually drips a little bit because of the moisture. It condenses underneath this bubble insulation. So I'm going to put a little bit more insulation up to hopefully that'll stop that. But yeah, it's a pretty big project for me. I can't wait to get it finished. I've got a little bit of it done. Guess I'm just going to stack the stuff right there. I got that old monitor right there. It's been hiding behind that stuff for so long. A couple APC battery backups I want to rebuild. I actually have another one stuffed back there. It's a black one. I'm going to rebuild those later and put one in my office, and use one for my stereo system. Almost got it done. Still need to do the ceiling on this side all the way over and back there, and then clean up my huge amount of mess here. This is a lot of work. Gonna put a new shelving system up there after I get the bench made. Got one here that's kind of short and don't really want to use the fine saw to do it, so I figured I'd use the bandsaw to set it up. cross square. Makes setting up these 45s a lot easier. See how wobbly this this thing is? Seems like all these small bandsaws like this have a really thin sheet metal base. Eventually I'm going to make a 1-inch tubing base for it so it ain't so wobbly. So I don't like it like that. I don't like it like that at all. But they're all like that. Every single one of them. Eye protection. Got to have eye protection. Alrighty, let's get this going. This is just mineral oil just to help fluid the blade. I always forget that stupid guard right there catches on that corner. Take that stupid guard off. Forget about that every time. funny because that guard's there to help protect the bearings from the damn dirt, but when you put it in the horizontal position, you got it, this is what it's supposed to be for, a horizontal position, but it doesn't work. Just in case you couldn't hear me, what I was doing with the brushing on, it's just basically mineral oil. You could buy online. It's non-toxic and it helps lubricate the blade, helps prolong the blade. You can use it for tapping and drilling and all that stuff. Helps any cutting operation. Pulled the lid for that one too fast.